Top 5 Best Electric Coffee Grinder in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. iTop03 Electric Coffee Grinder. The iTop03 Electric Coffee Grinder is a standout in the world of coffee grinders, boasting a robust 48mm 7-core conical burr system that ensures a consistent and even grind. The high-nitrogen 420 stainless steel burrs are designed to last, with a service life of up to 150 kilograms, making it an ideal choice for the serious coffee enthusiast. Its swift grinding capabilities, with a mere 24 seconds needed to produce espresso from 18 grams of beans, are perfect for those who value efficiency and precision in their coffee preparation. The iTop03 Electric Coffee Grinder is not just about performance, it's also about design and style. Its sleek ADC-12 aerospace die-cast aluminum body ensures durability and a premium feel, while the 30G hopper capacity is perfectly sized for a single serving or a small batch. The grinder's design is thoughtfully engineered to minimize noise, ensuring a peaceful coffee-making experience. Its versatility is further enhanced by its ability to grind for various brewing methods, from espresso to filter coffee, making it a versatile addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. The iTop03 Electric Coffee Grinder is designed with user convenience in mind. Its compact dimensions of 147 by 90 by 310 millimeters and a lightweight build of 3.5 kilograms make it easy to store and transport. The grinder's automatic grinding function, with a 60-second grinding time followed by a 90-second rest, ensures optimal performance and longevity. The grinder's motor is a robust 100W DC motor, providing consistent power for all your coffee grinding needs. Whether you're a home barista or a coffee enthusiast, the iTop03 Electric Coffee Grinder is the perfect tool to elevate your coffee experience. Number 5. iTop40 Titanium Burr Electric Coffee Grinder. Inclined fuselage design makes it easier to produce flour. Inching switch, motor speed is 550 RPM, bean hopper capacity is 75 G. Presetable lid for reducing powder residue in the hopper, 19-file scale to adjust coffee powder fineness, suitable for both hand pour-over coffee and espresso. For 20 #hard stainless steel conical burr, diameter is 40 mm, or resistance, corrosion resistance, high hardness. The powder cup is magnetically fixed, to reduce the vibration and displacement when grinding beans.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.